Hi everyone, this is Mr. PC Sir from Maths for All with PC Sir. Okay, my dear students, today we are going to take the topic the value of trigonometric ratios from 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, in 0 to 90 degrees, just we are taking some specific angles only. That is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, okay, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And with the help of a small technique, we can remember all the ratios in easy way. Okay, so let us redo. So here, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta. These are the trigonometric ratios, right? Sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Right. First of all, we can define sin theta and cos theta. So further, just I am giving a simple technique. Just all of you looking here, the 5 fingers of a hand. Since you see here, little finger, ring finger, middle finger, point finger and the thumb. So from here, little finger, this one I am taking 30 degrees, 0 degrees. And this one is 30 degrees. And it is 45 degrees. And this one is 60 degrees. And this one 90 degrees. Okay? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. And for counting the sine ratio, we will see this direction. Sin theta. Sin theta in clockwise direction, we will think. And cos theta, that is anti-clockwise direction. Okay? So right. First I am taking sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? It is sin. Sin 0. Okay. After this one, any fingers are there in this side? There is no finger. So just you keep 0. No fingers are left. After this one, there is no finger. Keep 0. And this square root of 0 divided by 2. Square root of 0 divided by 2. Okay. So what is square root of 0? 0. 0 by 2. 0 by everything is what? 0. So that is the first one. Sin 0 degrees is equal to 0. Understood? First you take it is sin 0 degrees. For sin, just we are thinking clockwise direction. After this one, there is no finger. So that's why you are taking 0. And take the square root of 0 divided by 2. Square root of 0 is 0. By 2, you are getting 0. Clear? Then let's sin 30 degrees. This one. Sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. How many fingers left here? Only one finger. Understand? Only one finger. That is under root of 1. And that is divided by 2. Always divided by 2 only. Square root of 1. What is the square root of 1? Just 1 only. By 2. 1 by 2. So that is the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. Then next sin 45. Sin 45. This one. Sin 45. Here sin 45 this side. Clockwise. 1, 2. 2 fingers are left. So just you take 2. And square root of 2 divided by 2. By rationalizing the numerator like this, see here, root 2 by 2. Just I am rationalizing the numerator. That is, root 2 into root 2, 2 by 2 root 2. Okay, 2 cancel. What is remaining? 1 by root 2. So that is the value of sin 45. 1 by root 2. And coming to 60 degrees here, it is 60 degrees. Sin 60. How many fingers left here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. And just I am taking 3 and divided by 2. That is root 3 by 2. That is sin 60. See? Root 3 by 2. And finally, sin 90. This one. Sin 90. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. 4 fingers means under root of 4 divided by 2. What is the square root of 4? 2. 2 divided by 2. What is the value? 1. Simply we are taking 1. Clear? So, sin 0 is 0 degrees. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Clear? So, just for the cos values. Of course, if you understand the sin values, you can write simply cos. Otherwise, you compare from this side. Okay na? Cos you are taking this side. Suppose cos 0 you need a cos 0. Okay, how many fingers left to the this side, anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers left. So under root of 4. Just I am taking cos values. Okay, cos 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Under root of 4 by 2. Simply that is 2 by 2. So you are taking 1. Cos 0 is how much? 1. And next cos 30. Cos 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3 zeros. That is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. See? Root 3 by 2. Then next cos 45. Cos 45. 1, 2. 2 fingers left. This side we have to see. Okay, cos 45. 1, 2 fingers. Same under root of 2 divided by 2. Just by using this technique you are getting 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2. Understand? The next cos 60. Cos 60 means like this. Okay, cos 60. How many fingers left here? Only one finger. Root 1. Okay, see here root 1 by 2. That is nothing but 1 by 2. And similarly, cos 90. There are no fingers left. No fingers left. That's why root 0 by 2. Simply that is 0. So cos 90 0. And we got cos values also. By using this technique, we can find the sine values and cos values. Very simple method. After getting sine and cos, suppose you need tan. What is tan? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Okay? Tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. Here tan 0 is equal to sine 0 by cos 0. Sine 0 divided by cos 0. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is what? 0. Understood? Then next tan 30 is equal to sine 30 divided by cos 30. Sine 30 divided by cos 30. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Simply just you see 2 cancel. What is remaining? 1 by root 3. That is tan 30. Tan 45. Sin 45 divided by cos 45. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Simply you are getting 1 only. As well as tan 60. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, 2 cancel. What is remaining? 3. Under root of 3. And 1 by 0. Sin 90 divided by cos 90. 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? You can't define, undefined. Simply I am taking that is infinity. Okay? And after getting tan theta, just you see cot theta in the reverse direction. Suppose tan 90 is infinity, that is nothing but cot 0. In the reverse direction we can write that is infinity, then next root 3, next 1, 1 by root 3, the next 0. Okay? And cot theta value is in the reverse direction of tan theta. Infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. And next coming to cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Just to change the fraction. Sin 0, 0. And cosec 0 is equal to 1 by sin 0. 1 by sin 0. 1 by sin 0 means 1 by what is the value of sin 0? 0. So that is infinity. Clear? Cosec 0 equal to infinity. And cosec 30. 1 by sin 30. 1 by 2. Just change the fraction. Write the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Simply that is 2 by 1. You can write 2. And 1 by root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. And then next root 3 by 2. Reciprocal is 2 by root 3. And then next one reciprocal is 1 by 1, that is 1. After getting cosec value, then sec theta is nothing but, of course you can take 1 by cos theta, or otherwise in the reverse direction of cosec theta, that is infinity to root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. In the reverse direction you can write 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and next infinity. Clear? So these are the values of sec theta. By using this technique, understood? If you know the values of sin theta, you can write the values of each and every ratio, every angle of trigonometry. Either that is cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta and sec theta also. With the help of this technique, okay, with the help of this finger technique, first of all you can define sin theta and of course cos theta. Then simply you can write the remaining all the angles of trigonometric ratios. That is from 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, my dear students, I think all of you understand. If you like this video, please like my channel, share my channel and also subscribe my channel Maths for All with PC Sir. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.